Completing the SAT/ACT registration, a step-by-step guide. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a crucial step of your SAT or ACT journey, completing the registration process. This might seem like a simple task, but ensuring that everything is done correctly can save you from future hassles. So, let's jump right in. Before you even start the registration process, it's essential to choose the right test date. Most students prefer dates that allow ample preparation time, don't clash with other important events or examinations. Pro tip: always have a second or third choice of date in mind in case your first choice is fully booked. Gather all the required documents before beginning the registration. This typically includes identification, like a passport or driver's license, a clear, recent photo of yourself. Make sure this photo adheres to the specifications provided by the testing agency. Note: different countries might have different ID requirements. Ensure you're aware of what's accepted in your location. This section is straightforward but essential. You'll need to provide full name. Ensure it matches the name on your ID. Date of birth. Address. Email. Choose an email you check regularly since important updates will be sent there. Many locations offer SAT or ACT testing, but not all might be convenient for you. Prioritize locations that are easily accessible. Consider the environment. You'd want a location where you'll be comfortable during the test. If you have any disabilities or require special arrangements, ensure you mention them during registration. Testing agencies often provide extended time, extra breaks, special test formats, like large print. Important: these accommodations require documentation, so make sure you have that handy. This is the final step in the registration process. Use a credit or debit card that can make international transactions if you're registering from outside the US. Always double-check the total amount before finalizing the payment. Some students might be eligible for fee waivers. If you think you might qualify, explore that option. And there you have it. You're all set to register for your SAT or ACT. Remember, preparation doesn't end here. Now's the time to dive into your study materials and ace that test. Wishing you the best of luck, and we hope this guide proves useful in your journey. See you in the next video.